Shalom, Pastor Blanks here, Grace Note Music Institute, another video. If you love gospel music and jazz, you are at the right place. So today I want us to look into some 7 traces in the key of B flat, or you can call it a minor 2-5-1 in the key of J minor. So let's look at the scale of B flat. B flat is the 1, C is the 2, D is the 3, E flat is the 4, F is the 5, G is the 6, A is the 7, B flat back to the 1. So we are doing a 7-3-6. So we are doing a 7-3-6. A is our 7, D is our 3, then G is our 6. So in the key of B flat, it's a 7-3-6. Moreover, since the tonic is a minor, we can call it a minor 2-5-1, which is in the key of J minor, the natural minor, which shares the same note with the B flat major scale. Alright, that well said. Let me play what I want to play, then you take it from there. Alright, let's take it again. Alright, so on our A, which is the 7, we have this chord. But before we play this chord, we will do some movements to this chord, which is so I have B flat on my left, then I have E, A, and C on my right. The next chord, I have J on my left, then I now have D flat, J flat, and A on my right. I have J flat on my left, I have C, E, and J on my right. So this is a movement. You can do some grace note where we grace the first chord J to A. This one too, you can grace the E to the J flat. Then we have gracing the D to E. Someone will ask, what is this chord? I would have to do a whole video to explain, but straightforward, this is picked out from what we call the symmetric scale, which is the diminished scale. So we have, it shares the same note with the A. You know, when you have this chord, the same diminished scale is for C, is for E flat, is for J flat, is for A. So in A we have, so it is out of this scale that we have all these things, but I'm not going into it now. Alright, so on your 7, which is A, we have this chord, which we did a movement. Then we now go to this chord on your D. On your D. Before you play this chord, you can see on my left I have F sharp, A sharp, C, F, A sharp, and D. I'm calling them sharps because we are viewing them in respect to D. And you know D has sharps. That's why. So basically, this is a D sharp 5 sharp 9 chord. Sharp 5 sharp 9 chord. This is our 3. This is our sharp 5. This is our flat 7. This is our sharp 9. we also have the same sharp 5 over here, then our D. So this is the chord. F sharp, A sharp, C on my left, F, A sharp, D on my right. But before you hit this chord, since it is an upper structure that creates a triad, which is our B flat triad in the second inversion over here, what you are going to do is that you are going to pull it. Those who know the West Coast style of gospel piano music, you now go to the A before you come to the B flat. So this is an A triad, also in the second inversion. This is the root position, first inversion, second inversion. So we have E, A, and C sharp. So this is just a passing, it's just a pull to the B flat. And you can use J sharp as a grace note to A. So when you do this, you are still on this same chord. Now you do, that's actually the same chord. We just added F to it and used all our left hand to play F sharp, A sharp, C, F, then A sharp, D, and F. As I said, I'm naming them sharps in the context of D. Great. Because this is the sharp 5, so we'll call it A sharp instead of B flat, but that's fine. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. So now that's the movement that is taking us to the 6th. You do a grace note from C to D. So then you come. So now we have J and B flat. We have F and D. Then to an F triad in the root position, you grace the J to the A. And on my left, I have F, A, B flat, D. Then I have F, E, and C. All this is on J. So this is a J minor 11 chord. A J minor 11. You know, this is our J minor 7, J minor 9, J minor 11. So that's the same chord that we are voicing this way. So you have. So let's take everything slowly. That's cool. You can use this. I'll be bringing more advanced stuff. To me, this is let me say it is intermediate or even basic. We'll be doing very, very advanced stuff. So you can get any song and try it with it. Let's see something. You deserve the glory and the honor. You see, it takes us to the 6. So you can do a 7-3-6, switch on a norm. You deserve the glory and the honor. So you can now use this movement. You deserve the glory and the honor. So how fast you can play it through is a nice movement. You get it. So that's the first part. On the E. Try this and happy practicing. Don't forget to subscribe. Grace Note Music Institute. Shalom.